everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions. Ending my day in Roberts, Wisconsin, and I'm gonna take you on a little tour of this place. I don't know if it's too loud riding on this lawnmower, this lawn tractor, but I mulch over like 50 trees and 6 12-foot gills. I'm gonna take you around here. So I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna start here. All right. Here's all the way down. All these trees all the way down. And then I moved 4 maple trees, red maybe. I moved them over in this line of trees. We got river birch, 3 river birch. We got another spruce, and here's 2 of the red maples that moved. And we're gonna go up here. And up here we got a couple more maples. Moved probably about 15 cubic yards of mulch. So you got the 2 red maples, and then we got a white pine and 2 spruce trees right here. And let's go up here. Go right by the fruit tree goes again. There's 3 apple trees and 3 pear trees. Took me 2 days longer, and I thought it was because of the weather in the beginning of the week. That's that. Gonna head home now and get some rest. Probably go to the gym and take a hot tub. All right, let's show this up. And I gotta leave the key in here because I accidentally brought it home yesterday. But there we are. Here we go. See all right. Okay, everybody. I'm heading home, and got a lot lot of sun today, got a lot of work done. And but it's time to go. Anyway, you want to turn your yard into the Garden of Eden, give me a shout. Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit my website foodforetdesign.solutions, and we will design the garden of your dreams in your backyard. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. Have an amazing day. See you.